Hey all, Liam from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be running through the features of the Darklab Delta Footswitch from FK Irons. The Darklab Delta Footswitch was the very first foot pedal engineered to sustain your entire tattooing career, so let's take a closer look. The Darklab Delta Footswitch from FK Irons is a heavy-duty precision foot pedal that is built to last. It is machined from aircraft-grade aluminium and is anodised for durability. Thanks to its internal dual springs and hinge system, the Delta Footswitch is super responsive, while the anti-skid pad at the base will keep the pedal firmly in its place, so no more chasing your foot switch. Darklab's Delta Footswitch is ideal for use in your studio, as well as taken with you to guest spots and conventions, thanks to its portable and lightweight design. The Darklab Delta Footswitch is RCA ready, so all you have to do is simply plug in a high quality RCA cord into the connection here, and you'll be ready to go. In addition, the external wiring of the foot pedal prevents failure of the entire unit if your cable is faulty. This means that you'll only need to replace the cable, rather than the foot switch as well. Please note that an RCA cable, not a clip cord, is required to run this foot switch and must be purchased separately, as one does not come with the foot pedal. In the unlikely event that your Delta foot switch has an issue, don't worry, as it comes with a lifetime warranty from FK Irons and Darklab, so you're guaranteed for life. Engineered and manufactured in the USA by FK Irons, the Darklab Delta Footswitch is offered in 8 striking colours: black, bubblegum, gunmetal, kryptonite, ruby, seafoam, tangerine, and a special edition finish, Cosmic Storm. All are available from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen it, what do you think of the Darklab Delta Footswitch from FK Irons? Will you be picking one up for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.